Oh, we're back again. I'm exhausted. Frank's still going strong. Yeah, we're getting to the end of it. We've done 2 styes out of the 4 so far. So we've moved them over. They're nearly middle. As we're moving blocks, playing huge game of Jenga blocks. That's what we're doing. Moving blocks. Blocks after blocks after blocks. The amount of blocks we moved in the last 2 days. We've built these styes 3 times each. So 4 styes 3 times. And I think that's in the last 2 days. That's a lot of block moving. Just to slaughterhouse. And just for 2 blokes. So there's a pile of blocks down there. They still got to go. What we're doing is tucking them inside the styes. Because all the free blocks have to be taken away because they're put out of the way. Otherwise there's no room for the excavator to do his work. He'll just put them straight on the truck and they'll take them to the tip. We don't want that. They're bloody $14 a block. So we got to tuck them all away. So once we do our work, we got to then put it all away. As I say, massive pack of Jenga blocks. As we go through and do that, now we're going to move those styes. 2 styes to go. Isn't that fun? Here, life's good. Okay, we'll be back with the last video coming up soon, in the next hour or so, hour and a half. As we keep on going. It's nearly 3 o'clock, and we've got to get these finished before we leave. Alright guys, thanks for viewing. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button under there. Hit that thing. Okay? Thanks. See you again soon. Bye.